cross?
Yeah, we're gonna cross. We're gonna cross this bridge. It's not a very stable bridge. Whoa! Woo! It's not that bad. Whoa!
Really? Let's go.
Good morning. We are in, what's the name of the town?
It's Skjolden. So
Skjolden?
It's Skjolden, but I asked the local. They say it's Skjolden.
Okay.
Like Skjolden.
He asked a local, so it's Skjolden, Norway, and we are hiking that way, to a viewpoint. We're hiking to a viewpoint, and the view is going to be amazing. It is raining, and we are like Norwegian Vikings conquering a new land. That's what we are. Yeah.
Yeah. Just in there? The house?
There?
The people right there on top. One more with the...
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hey, hey!
We're going up there somewhere. He's lost. I think he's lost.
A trail.
But it's barricaded! What the fuck?
Okay, we're already going off-road.
Oh my god!
How many minutes?
This person.
This town has a vineyard. Backyard vineyard. Look at this view.
Cold.
This hike is, according to him, a 30-minute walk up the mountain. But I can do
We're
it.
close, we're close.
Yeah, we're close.
We can
We're
do
almost
it
there. We're
during
almost there.
10.
We're going off the path. Are we going the right way? This way. We need to go that way. Okay, now it's getting real because we're on a path, a footpath. What if I fall off the side of the mountain? I always like to make this joke that Robert Plant, the singer of Led Zeppelin, who sounds like he's always falling off a cliff in the Led Zeppelin songs.
These are the people that we saw from down below. That's where we came from.
We came from down there. We came from down there. We made it. Alright, we're up here at one of the viewpoints. There's probably many along this mountain. But we came from down there, hiked up the side of the mountain. It was very dangerous, slippery, but we're Vikings and we conquered the mountain.
Yes, we did.
Alright, so we hiked up to that viewpoint and now we're going to see some waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
I don't know what's the next lyric.
Nobody does. We're lost in Norway. Woo! We did a very dangerous hike through a raging river here in Norway, but we survived it.
We survived.
Yes. Stay out of that area. Okay, we have successfully hiked to the second waterfall, climbed over a fence into the cow pasture to get the shot, and yeah, it's amazing out here, Norway. Troublemakers, climbing over the fence into the cow pasture. We're gonna check this place and see if they have any food.
What is
I'm gonna try this. I'll try that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, look. This is where we are.
Thank you.
This is the fjord. I bought Norwegian chocolates so you can have some. It's okay. Norwegian chocolate is good. I'm gonna stick the camera in the water, see what I see.